On the vlog again. Just can't wait to do a vlog again. The life I love is making vlogs for my friends, and I can't wait to do a vlog again. Doing a vlog again. Going places that I've never been. Seeing things that I may never see again. And I can't wait to do a vlog again. Hello everyone and welcome back to the Top Vloggers. As always, I am High and Mighty Joe, your host. And today we are in beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada, and we are here to celebrate America. That is right, celebrating 250 years of America with new music on the canopy. I believe there is going to be some new lights upon the canopy as well, and even a fireworks show tonight as well. So it should be a fun and exciting time. I'm asking you to come along with me, so let's get going. Well, we have arrived to fabulous downtown Las Vegas. Well, this is how much I weigh in my chair. 326 pounds. And now, the scale says 0. Check out that canopy. That is nice. I really like that. They got basketball, and Aaron loves basketball. And we even got live music out here on the Fremont Street Experience right here underneath the canopy, live on a beautiful Saturday night. He's a brand new man. Yeah, we love a little Brooks and Dunn. Yeah. So, like I said, they even got live music out here. Check it out anytime. So I was going down the way here, and I seen something that caught my eye. Now you would have thought that it would have been the dog. On the other hand, it was the robot that caught my eye. So yeah, they're even selling robots out here on the Fremont Street Experience. Well, I am inside Binion's. And inside Binion's, they have something very, very interesting. They have this. That is right. $1 million. So, if you ever would like your picture taken with $1 million, you can get it done right here at Binion's. Alter Ego on the center stage. Go ahead and show you these guys. Never moves, and then when you tip him, he does move, which is absolutely crazy. If you want to, you can go ahead and tip him right there. Show him some love. Yeah. He's pretty good. Oh! Pretty good got the dancing gorilla. You cannot go wrong with the dancing gorilla. So tip the dancing gorilla, and he will. I believe there's one of them that will actually pick you up. So, but say they got other girls out here. They got another gorilla. These gorillas are everywhere. Well, we are here outside the beautiful Plaza Hotel, and we are just waiting on the fireworks. They should be here in about 10 minutes. I have to admit that the fireworks are absolutely beautiful. And we have a lot more fireworks coming up. 4th of July is just around the corner, so be prepared for that as well. More fireworks. That's a beautiful one. Of course, my favorite thing is obviously the finale where they light a bunch of them off at once.
Didn't we go there?
we are the champions of the world.
Yeah, one big weekend.
Red, white, and blue. Red, green.
These are literally just
Purple, red. I'm not sure if you guys can see how beautiful that moon is right there. It is a beautiful moon as well.
You know, I think that was the last time that Michael was down. Or maybe Tom was down. It wasn't the last time Tom was down. He only came down one time when we lived in Lincoln. And he spent a time. Tom came down one time. And he went and spent a stupid amount of money on fireworks. We all did that one. Yeah. We spent a lot of money on fireworks every year. No. Steph should be yelling at the blue. Steph doesn't like fireworks. No, she doesn't.
Here it is, the finale. God bless the United States and God bless America. This is the America 250 celebration that they have. say hello to America. There is all kinds of people out here today
to have a good time.
That woman was out and she had American flags painted on her breast over her nipple area.
Whether you know it or not, is to have a good time, brah. There's a difference. Nick, what are you going to tell us all about it?
So,
Let's go.
Saturday night out here on the Fremont Street Experience, the canopy, it is absolutely beautiful. They got, like I said, I love the canopy. It feels great tonight too, by the way. When I left, the sun was out still, and it was very, very, very hot. But yeah, now not so bad. Doing well, if you ask me. Well, we are still here on the Fremont Street Experience. Well, this is a side street technically, but we're heading up to the Fremont Street Experience again. I took a side street. I wanted to check in and see if the beef jerky store was open. It was not. But you got Mickey and Minnie out here having a good time. And of course, we are here for America's 250th celebration, baby. And we are hanging out with the Tony Marquise Band, who is live and on stage currently. Yes, that is where that music is coming from. That is not anything. That is a dancing gorilla right there. Singing along, boasting the songs, and their fans all night long. Good time. Yeah, it's a gorilla dancing. Right here, I have all these people hanging around, filming, having a good old time. I have absolutely no idea what this guy is doing, but it looks like he has just put those all the way through his body. He is going to change the lighting setup. He's going to open up the box. Let's see what he's going to do here. He's going to get in the box. You cannot beat that. He's going to get in the box. I cannot believe this. He is in the box. And now he has shut the door, locked the door, unlocked the door, and now he is escaping the box, or exiting the box. This is something. I tell you what, that guy is very, very flexible to be able to get in the box, out of the box, and everything else like that. That is definitely something. And there is the praying mantis blowing out the fire here in downtown Las Vegas East Fremont, and we are outside of Container Park. So if you have never been to Container Park, or you just happen to want to see a praying mantis do this, I believe they do this on the hour. So yeah, if you get a chance, check it out. Yeah, pretty cool. Well, as you guys know, we were just at Container Park. I stopped off there actually to see about the House of 1,000 Pins, which is my favorite store. It is closed. Sad trombone moment. Yes, but they have a mural up here on the side of this building. And you guys know me, I'm a sucker for a good mural. There you go, check that out. That is one hot Corvette. This is a Stingray. Yeah. That thing is something. And of course, right over here, you have Evil Pie next to the Disco Pussy. And on the other side is Burgers, Beers, Bloodies. So we're gonna continue moseying on and back to the Heart Attack Grill, which is closed. Another sad trombone moment. Well, we have made it to the transfer station, and we are on, well, we are going to be on a bus, one bus, on the way home. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, take it one step further, and ring that notification bell. Keep you up to date on all the future adventures will be going on our channel. And I think that's going to do it for us here today. But don't forget to share this video with anybody you know that loves fireworks and America. We'll see you next time. Until then, Top Vloggers, out. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Top Vloggers. As always, I am your host, High and Mighty Joe, and today is this very special day. We are celebrating again, for several times in these upcoming vlogs, 250 years of America. That's right. And today we are going to celebrate it with the Thunderbirds, and they're going to start from right over there. Right there is Nellis Air Force Base, and yeah, this is where it's all going. They're all going to start from right here. It's going to happen about 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and they'll only be out actually probably about 30 minutes, but they're going to make one heck of a route. So with that being said, we are off. I'm asking you to come along with me, so let's get going. So I decided to drop by the Resorts World, and I would be surprised to find that they have a Formula One store here inside the Resorts World, and they also have that's right, they have their own Formula One race car. How cool is that? That is definitely something. I did not even know this was here. This is all new to me. Like, I try to pay attention, I try to keep up. I had no idea this car was here, and I had no idea that the store was here either. So if you ever happen to be at the Resorts World and you are into Formula One, or you're just into racing in general and you would like to check it out, hey, here it is at the Resorts World. I just love these old fun signs. I think it says Fun City. I bet a lot of people used to have fun riding through there. No, doesn't look like there's much fun going on, that's for sure. I figured out that we had a little extra time, so I wanted to go ahead and show you guys this. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to show you guys this or not, but here this is. Check that out in all of its magnificent glory. You got some dice, poker chips, city of Las Vegas, and of course, a couple of beautiful showgirls. All right, there it is, the new city of Las Vegas sign, on the other end of the Las Vegas Strip, right here next to the Strat, aka the Stratosphere. And boy, does it go up there. Not all the way to the Stratosphere, but it does go up there quite a ways. So I think this might be our viewing point, not sure. Well, I think we have officially found our spot. This is the spot that I have chose. I hope it's the right one. Knowing my luck, they'll come from the other direction. It'll be the opposite spot that I want. However, we'll take what we can get. That's what we do here on the Top Vloggers. We take what we can get. And as you can see, as I flip this camera around, there are people already lined up. A few of them. And I'm sure more to come, but we are literally just about 10 minutes away. This will be our viewing area. So, all right, we're ready to go. Let's get this show on the road. Alright, well, Sahara has the American flag out. It is getting close to time. I am so excited. I hope you guys are. This is going to be quick. It is not a long thing, and we are literally just a few minutes away. Alright, well, I hit them. So they are definitely getting close. Oh, there they are. I can see the smoke now. I am so excited, I cannot wait. Yeah, Sahara's got the American flag, and then there's another one right down there. You probably can't see it on this camera, but I can see it on my phone, and I can see it in person. Yeah, just a couple of minutes. I wouldn't even say a couple of minutes. I think they're doing the south side obviously first, and they're going to do the north side. Not sure if you can see them, but there they go. I think they're going to make a turnaround flight. Alright, well, I know that is not exactly what we thought, but hey, that's something to see. You never know what you're going to see in Las Vegas. Oh, there's another one. I wonder if there's any more coming. There goes some regular traffic, but I do not think they're going to make another pass. I think that is it. So, like I said, the two American flags and the Las Vegas, and what we saw was what we saw from our vantage point. So, I hope you guys got a chance to see it. If you didn't, go ahead and check out on Instagram. I'm sure that it will be on their social media as well. Alright, well, on my way back to the transfer station, I came across this right here, 18B Arts District. And it's got a couple of lovely ladies telling you which way their way is. So I just thought I'd go ahead and show it to you. It's kind of cool. So, you know, we can go ahead and get a closer glimpse of the ladies. But yeah, they are, there they are, right there in the Arts District. Now, I have seen dogs playing poker, but I believe this takes it to a whole new level. Check that out right there. I believe those dogs are playing poker. That is right out here beside the Gambler's General Store. I believe that's where you get all your gambling supplies. So, yeah, kind of cute. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we have made it back. This is night 2. Last night, the wind was ferocious. I'm not sure if you guys can pick that up on the video footage. However, the wind was ferocious. So what they did was they decided that they were going to go ahead and cancel the fireworks for last night and have them tonight. So we are back here on the Strip, night 2, for the fireworks to end off what should be another great celebration of America's birthday. And we have a few more coming up. Just don't forget, we have a drone show coming up, I believe, and we also, of course, have the 4th of July coming up. So it should be a fun and exciting time. Let's get going. All kinds of things here at the Resorts World. We are about, I don't know, 15 minutes away. They've already blown off one just to let it be known. So here we are. We're just waiting. This is it. The America 250 fireworks celebration. We're going to celebrate America's birthday this year several times. Can you imagine right now there's a plane to my right that's taking off. I can see it in the air. And you can just wonder, like, all the people on that plane, you know, getting to view these from the sky. Has to be absolutely beautiful. There you can see the plane right now. It's going to cross over. There is a lot of fireworks going off here tonight. The stratosphere, as you can see all the way down there, is letting them off. And then of course they are letting them off right here at Resorts World, which is where we're at. And then of course right in between the two of them, they are letting them off at the Fountain Blue as well. So absolutely beautiful. This is what America shows off their best and their brightest. Hey, we are America. And we are proud Americans. We're proud of America being 250 years old. You know, I think about this time, I reflect on my grandparents, things like that. And my nanny was born in 1918. And she lived to be 97 years old. And I can only just imagine if she was here today, what she would think about America being 250 years old. And out of that 250 years, that she was here for almost 100 of it. It's just remarkable. If you love fireworks, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. And we will try to do more fireworks shows as they come about. And I believe the red, white, and blue, I like that. Love those red, white, and blue ones. Even if they're just small little bursts like that, I still love them. And of course, you got the big bursts above them, red, white, and blue. There we go, the finale. This is it. Happy birthday, America. All right, well, I think that's going to do it for us here today. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe, take it one step further, and ring a notification bell for me, Resorts World, Fountain Blue, the Strat. Happy birthday, America. We're definitely going to see you again. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, take it one step further, and ring that notification bell. We'll keep you up to date on all the future event shows that will be going on our channel. And I'll see you next time. Until then, Top Vloggers, out.